Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be comparing two top-notch desktop processors by Intel, the i7-13700K and i5-13600K. We'll evaluate them in various categories and help you decide which one is right for you. Before we begin, do like this video, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest tech reviews. The i7-13700K tops the charts with 16 cores, 8P cores plus 80 cores, and 24 threads, while the i5-13600K rocks 14 cores, 6P cores plus 8E cores, and 20 threads. The i7-13700K is the clear winner here with more cores and threads, which translates to faster task completion times. Both processors have a performance hybrid architecture, which optimizes workload distribution. There is no clear winner in this category, as both processors are equally matched. The i7-13700K offers an impressive unlocked clock speed of up to 5.4 GHz and 30 M cache, while the i5-13600K offers up to 5.1 GHz unlocked speed and 24 M cache. The i7-13700K has a slight edge over the i5-13600K in this category, but the difference may not be noticeable to most users. Both processors are compatible with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset motherboards. However, the i5-13600K requires a discrete graphics card, while the i7-13700K comes with integrated Intel UHD graphics 770. Thus, if you're building a system without a discrete GPU, go for the i7-13700K. The i7-13700K is priced at $419 United States dollars, while the i5-13600K is priced at $304 United States dollars, making it a budget-friendly option. However, it is important to note that i7-13700K offers better performance for tasks that require more cores and threads. Thus, it is worth investing in the i7-13700K if your work primarily involves such tasks. Thank you for watching this comparison video. We hope this helped you in choosing the right processor for your specific needs. Do let us know in the comments which processor you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as well. We'll be back with more tech reviews soon.